Hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa hwaĩ wa gatano rĩa kũrugũria ibuku rĩa Justin Muturi rĩrĩa rĩretwo The Fight for Order na rĩrĩa rĩraumburania thiri nditũ ciĩgiĩ maũndũ marĩa mathiaga na mbere thirikari-inĩ, nĩkuo ũrĩa warĩ mũnini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ahithũrĩtie marĩa mathiaga na mbere thegi-inĩ wa President William Ruto thutha wake kũbunja ndundu ya mamĩnĩsta kũrũmĩrĩra mĩrũrũngano ya ayuthi ĩrĩa yarĩ hakuhĩ kũharagania thirikari yake mwaka mũhĩtũku.
After the GenZ protests, the cabinet was dissolved, and William Ruto was struggling on what to do, bring Raila and his people in, this, that, and we let him do what he wanted to do without too much argument. And he announced the first batch, and out of the positions I had negotiated for my counties where I come from, he did not appoint anybody from Embu. And I asked him why. He said, let's wait kidogo.
Rigathi augĩte thutha wa gũkũrana rĩtwa rĩa Justin Muturi rĩtiarĩ rita-inĩ rĩa itĩna rĩa kerĩ rĩa President Ruto kwanĩra mamĩnĩsta, oire mũrũgamo mũrũmu na kwĩra President no mũhaka Muturi akuruhanio ndundu-inĩ ya mamĩnĩsta, na hau nĩho mathĩna ũtongoria-inĩ wao na President Ruto maambĩrĩirie.
He called me and Musalia so that we flank him to announce the last batch of cabinet. And he was in a hurry. Let's go. I said, hey, what do you mean we go? How? How do we flank you to announce what we don't know? No, wewe Rigiji, wacha maneno mingi. Musalia, let's go. I said, no, I can't. If we are flanking you to make the announcements, we must be part of what you are announcing as the usual practice. I cannot flank you to announce cabinet when I don't know who you are announcing. I cannot hear it for the first time with the rest of Kenyans and the press. So he was very angry. Then he rushed to his office. Oh, Musalia, my God. He was shaking like a leaf. Oh, Mwami, how can you challenge the president? How? Please, this is not right. I say, Musalia, my friend, do you know this announcement, your name could be missing in that paper?
Mũrũgamo wa Rigathi nĩguo wacũngĩrĩirie President kũgũagũa na gũcokia Muturi ndundu-inĩ ya mamĩnĩsta.
He said, wewe Rigathi, hii ukabila yako itakufikisha wapi? I said, Mr. President, I am not party to that decision. How do I accompany you to announce something I'm not part of? And the people of Embu will be asking me, who is this? But if I'm not there, just go ahead and announce. He kept quiet like 3 minutes. He said, he threw a pen at me. He said, toa hiyo mtu weka hiyo JB yako hapo. Mimi nikachukua kalamu nikafuta hiyo mtu na kalamu ya wino nikaweka Honorable JB Muturi.
No ũhoro wa kũmakania mũno nĩ rĩrĩa mwanake wa Justin Muturi anyitirwo mĩgwate. Ĩndĩ gũtirĩ mũndũ wamũteithagĩrĩria ona gũtuĩka arĩ mũnene wa watho hĩndĩ ĩyo.
So I called Kindiki, Mr. Yesa, he took me in circles. He was in interior. I could see he's lying. He knows, but pretending he doesn't know. I called Nurdin Haji, he took me in circles. I called Mohammed Amin, director of CID, he took me in circles. I called Japheth Kome, he was the IG, he was talking to me in Kemeru.
Rigathi ahithũrĩtie thutha wa President ũrĩa ũtarĩ thingira-inĩ wa iregi hĩndĩ ĩyo kũmũcinũra thutha wa kũmwĩra mĩtangĩko ĩrĩa Muturi ageragĩra. Athire Muturi athiĩ kwĩ President kũng'ethanĩra nake. Na thutha ũcio nĩguo Leslie Muturi arekereirio kuma kũrĩ amũnyiti mĩgwate.
Wewe Rigiji, wacha fitina bana. Wewe umenisumbua. Kila siku unanipigia simu fitina. Abducted by who? In which country? Wewe bana usinisumbue. Usilete mimi fitina. He's put on the phone. So I told JB, go and face him. He knows where your son is. I've listened to him, I know him. And JB took my advice and I alerted him. I told him I will alert you when he arrives. The minute I was told he is 10 minutes away, the choppers were alerting, I said, be at the gate. He went and faced him head on as a man. And JB, pongezi.
Rigathi nĩagathĩrĩirie Muturi ta mũtongoria njamba, akiuga ũtongoria wake nĩ wĩkũranĩire na makĩria gĩtĩo kĩrĩa amũheaga marĩ ndundu-inĩ ya mamĩnĩsta.
And he was my soulmate in cabinet. Because he was only the truthful person who is fearless. One day, when they are in cabinet committees, the president had tasked his tribesmen there in cabinet to keep him informed on the deliberations in cabinet committee by text. So if the direction a debate is taking is not going his way, especially in issues he is conflicted, he would send you a text and tell you how to take the conversation. So JB looked for me and we agreed what to do. Himself and myself, we will leave our phones away so Ruto cannot reach us. By the time he has been told what he wanted is not going the right way, tumepitisha.
Oho mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa DCP nĩ ahinyĩrĩirie bata wa gũthura atongoria arũmu na mohĩgĩrĩire maũndũ-inĩ matiganĩte gĩthurano-inĩ gĩũkĩte. Akiuga nĩ mũtino mũnene kũrĩ kĩrĩma kumana na ambunge acambicũku arĩa marĩ bunge-inĩ ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Mainam.